Hey guys, it is Zachariah. First time using the webcam in a little bit. We're playing Roblox Ninja Warrior today. It's like American Ninja Warrior, but in Roblox. It's a very good game. I suck at it. So today let's see how much it can make me rage. Let's get straight into the video. Alrighty, it is my turn. Let's see what I can do. Probably nothing much, because like I said, I suck at this game. Oh, I almost glitched there. Oh, we did it. Okay. Oh, that was close. There we go. I'm overreacting, like really badly. Here we go. I got this. Oh no, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. I'm done. That's great. That's great. All right, next one. Second try. Let's go. Oh. I'm probably gonna suck. Good. Next one. The obstacles changed, by the way. And I'm glad, because the one that got me last time is not here anymore. That is great. Oh! 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 Okay. No! Alright. I got my barbecue chips and my dog. Always a great combo. No chips. Yes, always a great combo. Hello. I'm on from. Yeah. Oh, good. Oh! No! The chips aren't good. The chips aren't good. I'm drunk. The chips aren't good. Blame him. Oh, look, my dog! You want some? No. No chips. No chips. Get off me. Get off me. No chips. Ew. Here. Hey. Alright. Nothing good to eat. I'm here. Alright, let's see how these guys do. This guy, he gets past the first obstacle onto the second. Oh. He makes it. Will he last any longer? Hey, get out of my way, Boteef. Can I make the last obstacle? No! Hey! Next up is the Hungry Man. Nope, not the Hungry Man. It's Corrupted Piles and he falls off the course. Now it's my turn. Let's go. I'm done.